Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Hiding notification content improves privacy when your phone is unattended in public. This prevents passers-by from reading messages, emails, or banking alerts on your home screen. You will learn simple settings changes on both iOS and Android in 3 practical steps. Follow along slowly and perform each step on your device. After changing settings, lock your phone and confirm that previews no longer display sensitive text. This reduces accidental data exposure during commutes, work, or social events. Open Settings and scroll to Notifications on your iPhone. Tap Show Previews and choose Never or When Unlocked for stronger privacy. Never blocks all previews. When unlocked, shows previews only after Face ID or passcode. For message apps, open Messages, then Notifications, and ensure Allow Notifications and Show Previews follow the system setting. After adjusting, lock your phone and press the power button once to test the change. Repeat for Mail, WhatsApp, and other apps that display sensitive content. Open Settings on your Android device and choose Apps and Notifications or Sound and Notifications. Tap Notifications, then Lock Screen or Unlock Screen depending on the model. Choose Hide Sensitive Content or Don't Show Notifications to prevent message text from appearing. Some manufacturers label the option differently, but the effect is the same across brands. For additional control, open each app's notification settings and disable lock screen previews per app. Lock the phone and verify that notifications.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.